Alright, the OnePlus Z2 earbuds with ANC finally arrived. Okay, now let's see the unboxing. Okay, these are the OnePlus wireless Z2 ANC package. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so this is uh, the green type of buds. Okay, alright, quite difficult to open it, remove it from one hand, but I'm trying to. Don't want to damage it for whatsoever reason. Inside out, nice packaging. I must say it's the original packaging and the similar packaging for OnePlus Z devices. Now this time, fortunately, they have provided this particular button which is responsible for dual pairing, and this one has dual pairing option in it. So I was waiting since 2 years to to have this particular product. I have used the uh, wireless bud Z, and used it for 2 to 3 years, and they were really well built. The build quality was great. I had to repair it a few times, but then it was also repairable and I was able to repair it and use it again. So, well, I'm going to test this product and I'll share the review ASAP. Till then, have a great day. Thank you for seeing the channel Technologic. Have a great day. Bye bye.